Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today I will be doing for you a cake mix. So I have one white cake mix from JF Mills, yes, and I have 3 eggs. I have a 1/4 cup of olive oil that I will be using. I have a cup of water and I have my hand mixture. So I'm gonna get started. I've added the cake mixture to the pot, so I'm gonna crack the eggs open. I'm doing this separately just in case there's a spoiled one in the batch. We can just dump the eggs instead of the entire cake mix. So, and then after which I'm gonna remove the eyes, some little white things from the egg. I'm gonna take those out. Then I'm gonna add all the ingredients to the cake mixture, combine it, and then I'm gonna use my mixture to smooth out the ingredients and get it ready to bake. So guys, you don't have to stick with exactly what is on the box, the ingredients. You can also add some lemon juice or some lime juice to your mixture, or any little spice you have, you can add it and spice it up, okay? As I said before, I'm now combining all the ingredients. Alright, so I'm gonna allow this for a couple minutes until it's a bit smooth. You don't want it you don't want to mix it too much now, just in order for all the ingredients to combine and get smooth a little. Alright. So guys, I'm greasing my baking container, get it ready now to pour my mixture in, and then get the oven ready to bake my cake. Alright, you can also add grease paper to the bottom of your container. You can grease this with putting on a gloves to grease it, or my hands are clean, so no worries there. So I'm adding the mixture now to the grease pan. Here I'm leveling off the cake mixture in the baking container. Yes. The oven is now ready, so I'm gonna add my mixture. Yes. So here you go, guys. So I'm adding my mixture and allow it to bake until done. Alright, but I'll take you along the journey. Look at it, guys, coming along nicely. Still some way to go, but I just want to check it. I'm about to test the cake now, so here you go. Looking lovely. I'm gonna use the knife to test it. If it comes out clean, that means it's ready. If it comes out with cake mixture on the knife, it's not ready. Alright, need some more time. So I'm gonna add it back to the oven to finish up. So in a few, this will be ready. Okay, guys. And there you have it, guys, all done. My white cake is ready. I'm adding some creamy frosting to this, so this should taste really, really good with the frosting, guys. So guys, I'm gonna slice this now and I'm gonna taste it. Alright. So guys, look at that. Not too bad at all. Came out nicely. Look at it. Yes, it looks delicious. I could have that with some ice cream or some orange juice, some cheese, whatever. Yes guys. So guys, I'm gonna taste this now. Wow, so creamy and nice. Right texture. Yes guys, go ahead and try it out. You will love it, the children will love it. Okay? Thank you for watching and I will see you in my next video. Bye.